Hello guys and welcome to CryptoBull. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Pangolin Exchange, and in this video I will be using MetaMask, and I believe that many of you who are in crypto, you already know how to get MetaMask to your Google Chrome browser. This is Google Chrome extension. If you don't have MetaMask, then just search for Google extensions and add MetaMask extension to your Google Chrome browser. And in this my MetaMask I added Avalanche network. As you see, I am in Avalanche network. This is AVAX C network, guys, and once I have Avalanche network I transferred here some USDC, as you can see here. And once I have this done, in this video I will be buying from USDC some AVAX to my wallet, and to do this we will be using Pangolin Exchange. As you see, app.pangolin.exchange. This is fairly easy to use and I'm using this for bridging different assets. In one of my next videos I will show you how to bridge from AVAX to Ethereum, but in this video I'm going to show you just some features how you can swap one token to another. And in my scenario we will be using swap. We hover over this left hand side, this navigation bar opens up and here we go into swap. This is swap on Pangolin Exchange, where you can exchange different cryptocurrencies from one crypto to another. Like I mentioned, we will be swapping from USDC, so I will click here this middle icon, so USDC is now at the top. Other way how you could do is just click on that USDC sign or AVAX sign, and here you search from which token you would like to exchange. So in my scenario this will be USDC, and once I have selected in first from which I would like to exchange, this means from which token I have on my wallet. So I have USDC and I will be buying AVAX. And here in second field, like I mentioned, you can select what token you would like to buy, whether it's a PNG. We will talk about PNG also, guys, in one of my future videos. As you know, I am a huge fan of PNG and Pangolin, and I believe that this cryptocurrency will make also millionaires in next bull run, which will come at the end of 2024 and at the beginning of 2025, as currently this token is very underrated. So in second field we select AVAX or which token we would like to buy, and here in the first one, in first field, where is the money, I will be entering how much I would want to spend. So I will be spending 110 USDC, and for 110 USDC I am able to buy 11.1138 AVAX, and here I need to approve my USDC. This is the procedure with Pangolin Exchange because this is fully decentralized exchange, and they are claiming that they will be the most decentralized exchange by the end of 2023, guys. And here, as you can see, USDC, I need to approve it. How much I want to approve, I always click max because they don't take over your transactions like with many other exchanges or dexes which are out there. Then scroll down and click next, guys, and here click approve. So you are approving your USDC, so you are able to use it now on this exchange. And once your USDC have been approved, you click here on this button swap, and here you click confirm swap, and then this contract window will open up where you will be able to confirm your swap, guys. And as you can see here, you can see all transaction fees, how much you are paying for this swap, and here you see that the gas fee is 0.004 AVAX only, guys. And here you click on confirm and your transaction will go through. And once you will click confirm, your transaction will go through. Here this window also will pop up, and here you can see this view on Explorer. If you are interested, you can click this view on Explorer and you will also be able to see this transaction on Snowtrace. And Snowtrace is Avalanche or AVAX native trackers, similar for BSC scan or for example Edge scan, where you can see what is happening on blockchain, but this is simply user-friendly interface where you can see what is happening on blockchain, guys. And here you can see all transaction and all details about this transaction which we just did. And after we have bought this, we can go back to our MetaMask, open it up, and we can see that our transaction has gone through. And now I have in my wallet 11.3 AVAX or Avalanche tokens. Okay, guys, but what other options are here? I will not be pretty much going over all of them, but now let's hover over again on the left hand side of this navigation, and here you can see stake. There is also staking where you can stake PNG, and currently it is 4% per year APR. This doesn't sound much, guys, but like I mentioned at the very beginning of this video, I believe that PNG will absolutely explode. Currently it costs under 2 cents, or pretty much about 2 cents only, guys, and I believe that this token could go to about $1 when next bull market comes, because there will be only in maximum supply 230 million of PNG tokens when they will be released by the end of the next year or at the January of 2025. All 230 million will be released, and currently the release of PNG tokens are about 140,000 tokens per day. So what Pangolin is doing, they're releasing their tokens to people who are staking. Like for example here, if you have PNG tokens, you can stake them here and you can get rewarded for this. So as if you are adding liquidity pools, I will make a video on how to add liquidity on Pangolin exchange, which you can also find by hovering this left side navigation. And for example, if you go into pool and farms, there you can see what pool and farms are there. If you click here on pool and farms, here you will see the standard, guys. If you click into the standard, here you will see how much you can be earning, guys, because these Pangolin exchange or PNG tokens are distributed to those people who are adding liquidity here, and here you can make much more than just staking, guys. For example, if you would be adding liquidity for wrapped Ethereum and AVAX, you would be making 5%, but for example, if you would be adding liquidity for PNG and AVAX, you would be already making 18%. So this is much more, and all rewards here on Pangolin exchange are paid out in PNG tokens. As you can see, rewards in, and this says that it is paid out in PNG tokens. But like I mentioned, guys, about how to add liquidity and about other ways how you can make profits by using Pangolin or Pangolin exchange or other features, or how to add liquidity here, I will be making one of my next videos. So keep tuned, guys, subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful, and see you in the next one.